Hello everyone, good morning and good afternoon. Today we are going to be completing the review stations that will prepare you for your test next week. Again, probably planning on a full 100%. However, if you are 100% virtual, then I will have a test that you will do on Canvas when you are in class on Tuesday or Monday, whenever I see you next. So the plan for these is there are 6 stations. I will go through and I will tell you what each station is. So for example, I will start with station 1, and then I will take a photo of the measuring device or whatever we are dealing with, because some of them are measuring with a balance, or some are actually factor conversions or math. Based on that, it will kind of differ on how I will present that information for you. But it is in your best interest to have your lab guide that's located on Canvas in front of you, and pause the video as needed. So the first one is station 1. You are going to measure this line with your your metric side of your ruler, so we'll use centimeters, and you will round it with an estimated digit place. So I will now show you the image. We are now on station 2. This asks us to determine the mass of copper on your table. You must determine the volume using the equation below. Remember doing the math trick that I went in class, and use the rule for correct digits. So you are going to solve for the volume, we'll find the mass, and then I give you the density. Here our substance is copper, and our density would be 8.96 grams per centimeters cubed. Here is our copper sample. Here is the mass of our copper sample. Here we are at station 3. You will determine the volume in the containers at this station to the correct number of digits. I will include a photo for each one. We are now at station 4. It asks us to fill a beaker with 50 milliliters of water, then pour that liquid from the beaker into the graduated cylinder. We're going to discuss if the amount is the same or different, and I need you to explain either situation. I have already filled up our beaker, with about 50 milliliters of liquid. So now I will pour that into the graduated cylinder and post the images. Station 5, you will complete the following calculations with the correct number of digits. I will be taking a photo and posting this on the next slide for this YouTube video. Last one is factor conversions. I will go through each one and you will complete questions 1 and 2 for each group. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I will post the photos in the YouTube video so you may pause and complete them. That is all I have for you today with the review stations. So make sure that you go through and you complete all of them, and then also complete the review guide that is posted on Canvas, and use the quizzes link that I created. There are 35 questions on there for you to practice, and you can do them with other classmates as needed. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, please email me.